Let's make something.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending whenever you see this video. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are counting days till it's Christmas Day, and I'm back with another Christmas tutorial you can do in your homes, in your offices, and yeah. So you're going to be starting with circle pieces of different colors. So I think I made use of a pot cover or a smaller plate to get the circles. I did not take the measurements or anything, but you're gonna be getting like two colors, either of 10 pieces each or 12 pieces each, 8 pieces each, whichever size you want. Next, you're gonna have to be folding the circles individually in the center, like you see me do. We fold the circle in half until you have like half circles all around the cards you're using. So I'm making use of one sugar paper and one card. That was because I couldn't get the card in this color in time. Like I didn't know I was going to do this project, so I had some leftover cards and some leftover sugar paper. I decided to make use of them. But I'd advise when you want to do this, make use of the same kind of fabric. If it's sugar paper you have, let both colors be sugar papers. If it's card you have, let both colors be cards. Next, you're gonna attach your gum to the center of the half circles and then to both ends, like you see me do. When you apply it in the center and both ends, you take the other color and place it on top. So the other color is just going to be attached to both ends of the circles, and then you open the second color and apply your gum at the center again, just like you see me do. It's very self-explanatory. If you don't understand it, just watch what I'm doing and do exactly the same. Do not apply your gum all over the half circle. You're not going to be getting the design I had if you do that. So just follow me, follow exactly what I did, and you'll be fine. If this is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. Please don't be a stranger. Kindly hit that big red subscribe button below this video to join the family. Don't forget to give a huge and massive thumbs up. Leave a comment. I'd love to read from you. Whatever it is you want to talk about, whatever tutorial you want me to make of, just let me know early so I can get the fabrics and do that for you before Christmas arrives. So yep, don't forget to give a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to other crafty moms and dads out there. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to leave a comment. Please do not skip the ads on my video. Please, I'm begging you, help me. That's the little way you can support me. And if you can also give me like a super thanks to encourage me to keep doing more, I'd really appreciate it if you can. Thank you so much, and let's get right into the video. So when you're done attaching all the colors together in the format you saw me do, I'm gonna come back and let you all know what next you're going to be doing.
Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby, and have yourself a ball. People all over this big world, they're getting ready to play, kissing under the mistletoe and rocking the night away. So let's swing the night away. Baby, hold me close, 'cause in our hearts Christmas is here.
So guys, I'm done attaching all half circles together in the center and on both ends of the half circles. So all I'm trying to do right now is to attach the last and first two together, like you see here, but it's proving difficult. That is because maybe in the process of attaching them, some parts have, gummed together where they're not supposed to be gummed together. So this is me just trying to gently detach them. Like I said before, I made use of a card and paper, which is not advisable. I advise you either make use of both papers or both cards. So this is me trying to, entangle every part that was not supposed to be tangled up. And next, after doing that, I apply my gums on both ends of the half circles like you see me do, and attach the last and first piece together. And voila, you've got yourself a Christmas big ball ornament made of different colors. This turned out so beautiful, guys. I made 3 or 4, I can't remember. So next, you take your fishing line and make a loop and attach it in the center of the circles like you see me do. I made green and white, I made red and gold, and we had it was so beautiful, guys. What do you think? Are you gonna try this out? This was so beautiful. So after that, this is me just attaching them to my mirror. When I was decorating my mirror, I just attached 2 to my mirror like there. Attached 1 on one of my curtains. I did not add any to my Christmas tree, but for my Christmas tree I'm going to be doing something different this year, which I'm going to be sharing with you guys hopefully soon. A girl has just been so busy. Look at how it is on my mirror, looking so beautiful, like a Christmas ball but with 2 different colors. So this is it when I attached the Christmas lights over my mirror, added a bow on top of it to give it, that Christmas effect. Like you can see, it turned out so good. I actually loved it. Tell me, you're gonna try this out at home. It's a very simple craft. It's not complicated at all. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please let me know if you have any other tutorial you want me to do for you. And yeah, see you all in my next video. Hugs and kisses. Bye, guys, and Merry Christmas in advance. Oh my God, I love you guys. Stay tuned to my next video. Bye, guys.
Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby, and have